When we use the cutting function, we need to make an adjustment in the software. Adjust the welding width to. Just save it. Replace welding components with cutting components. Replace the welding copper nozzle with a cutting copper nozzle. After we change the cutting copper nozzle, be sure to pay attention to the red light on the cutting mouth. Is it at the center of the outgoing light? If it is not in the center and offset up and down, to adjust the two screws of the motor, one is down and the other is up. If it's left or right, then we can regulate it through software. But the prerequisite is to remember, adjust the red light to the center of the emitted light. Only then can it be cut normally. First, remove the scale of the welding gun and the fixed nut. You can see a top thread here. It's the place where we hold the lock nut. Counter him and remove the fixed guide. Replace the cleaning kit. Replace the welding focus lens with a cleaning focus lens. Replacement completed. After adjusting the hardware, now proceed with software switching. Click the toggle button in the upper right corner. Switch cleaning system. Power off and restart. Switch from welding mode to cleaning mode. The interface he reboots is our cleaning interface. We just adjusted the focusing lens to 800. We need to set 123,456 in the back end. Confirm. Our focal length is currently 150. Because we switched to an 800 focusing lens, this place needs to be changed to 800. Then save. Finally, we switched the cleaning mode to the welding mode. Remove the protective cover for cleaning. Install welded fixed components. There is a top thread here, fixed in this position. Make sure it's tight. Install the welding nut. Fixed welding scale tube. Finally, replace the cleaning focus lens with a welding focus lens. Pay attention to the side of the lid facing inward. The side with the plastic gasket is facing outward. Demo completed.